So, good afternoon, ma'am. So, we are the group 11 and our assigned poetry or genre of poetry is free verse. So, free verse poetry was popularized by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman is considered a father of free verse poetry because he broke away from traditional rhyme and meter and wrote poetry which followed natural speech instead. So, di ba, ang obang mga poetry is nabito sila ng mga structure or rhyme or meter gusto ba ng AA, BP, CC, DD, or ABAP. But in free verse poetry is more natural or siya walay kina-follow o kanang mga rules and so, one of his famous work is called Leaves of Grass. So, Leaves of Grass is actually a Mershad collection or Mershad books which contains a collection of poems. So, it was first published in 1855 and it contains mainly free verse poems celebrating about nature, individuality, or even humanity. An example poem from his work is called Song of Myself. So, Song of Myself is andun siya sa katong collection of poems na kanang title The Leaves of Grass. So, this kanang work, example work, is a well-known free verse poem that expresses self-identity and connection with others. And another notable proponent of this free verse poetry is T.S. Eliot. So, T.S. Eliot used free verse in modern poetry, and his example or one of his famous work is called The Ways of Land.
What is free verse? So free verse is a type of poetry does not follow strict rules like rhyme, meter, and structure. So unlike sa mga traditional forms of poetry like sonnet or haiku, para sila is na sila di-follow nga kanang mga rules like na ay meter, na ay rhyme, and structure. So free verse, it allows the poet to write more naturally, similar as how we think or speak. And because kay natin freedom, ang mga poet pod kay kanang free ra bitaw sila nga express sa ilang emotions, ideas, and experiences more on personal and flexible. So instead of relying rely sila sa mga fixed patterns, which is ang free verse is often nag-use siya rhythm, imagery, and repetition. So ang rhythm is kanang more na tayo rhythm sa ilahang bisuwat nga mga poem nga free verse. And ang imagery is makita ra nimo dito sa iyang bisuwat and yung ma-identify nimo kung saan ang imagery dito. And repetition is di man siya malikayan nga naa jud magbalik-balik na word nga poem ay free verse nimo mo. And so this kining rhythm, imagery, and repetition maka-create siya meaning and impact sa tao. So the arrangement of the words or line kay importante siya kay para it guides magud sa mga poet nga nibasa ay sa mga students nga nibasa niya maka-understand sila. And even without rhyme, free verse can still have a strong musical quality through the careful traces of words and sounds. Even walay rhyme ilaha, nagihapon siya strong musical quality sa paggama or more bitaw na impact bitaw ang ilang hihimo. And so what Heaven Ramirez said earlier nga naay mga well-known nga mga poets, so which is si katong si Walt Whitman and T.S. Eliot, nag-use silang mga free verse para ma-express bitaw deeply ang theme about sa identity, society, and human emotion. So, ilahang mga work is kanang shows that poetry does not need strict form to be powerful. So, ang ilaha is nagamit silang free verse kay dili ra bitaw kanang ang ilahang poetry which is ang free verse nga ilang gihimo kanang dili bitaw nag-need na bitaw mga strict bitaw para ma-powerful ang imong isa ka himo nga works, which is powerful siya if ikaw mismo ma-express nimo imong ideas, emotions, and also experiences na ma-appeal nito.
So this book is about our life as a student. The dark thoughts and tired mind can be seen as the weariness of schoolwork, exams, and responsibilities, not just our responsibility as a student in school, but also in our home. The poem shows that even small tasks feels heavy, making us wonder if peace or rest is possible as a student. So the fragile flame represents fighting despite students. Even when our energy is low, we still rise, attend classes, and push through. Shadows of doubt and pressure may surround us, but we will continue because we know that education is our path forward. So the search for dawn is like we're the way, success, or simply a break after the hardships. Then the poem says hurt, where it reminds us that we're alive. So like the rain, our struggle will pass. So the final line of the poem reminds us that we're not lost. We're just walking through times. School activities may feel draining, but for us, it's only a season. By breathing through the dark, it reminds us that as a student, it shows that there's a courage. There are brighter days, success, and understanding and fulfillment are ahead.